What's the first thing people notice when you walk into a room? Face? Clothes? Shoes? No. Surprising, it's your walk. Yeah, how you move. Your walk is the first impression before you even speak. Most people get it wrong. Seriously. Go outside to a bus stop, a park, or a school, and just watch people walk. You'll laugh, but this isn't a joke. It's real. Your entrance, that's your personality speaking before you do. So, fixing your walk is priority number 1. I didn't make this video random. I watched people. I analyzed their walks, studied over 10 videos and pieces of research, and I even broke down leading roles in movies, so I could bring you real, straight to the point advice. By the end of this, you'll know the main types of walks, the common mistakes people make. Don't skip the last 2. They matter. And how a true leader or model walks. Let's go. Every street, every neighborhood has characters. Where you grew up doesn't matter. How you walk through that neighborhood absolutely does. Some walks say confidence. Some say attitude. Some say, I just left the hospital. Some say, I just got out of the gym. Walks are personality traits, and they're learnable. You've heard the names: ramp walk, mostly seen in menswear/runways. Catwalk, the classic female runway style where hips move subtly. We'll get to both in the end with examples. But first, the mistakes. Mistake number 1, the Charlie Chaplin walk. A ton of people walk like Charlie Chaplin. Exaggerated, funny, accidental. It seems harmless, maybe even entertaining. But exaggerated gait sends a signal. You're not in control of your body language. That tiny comedy act becomes the lens through which people read everything else about you. Intelligence, seriousness, reliability. I had a classmate who aced math, but when he walked, people laughed. His brilliance was ignored because his walk sold comedy, not confidence. Fix walk with both feet straight, like railroad tracks under your feet. Don't let your feet flare out or turn in. Keep your steps parallel. Mistake number 2, too fast or too slow. Some people stroll like life is on pause. Others rush like they're late for the final exam. Pace carries emotion. Speed screams anxiety or urgency. Slowness suggests low energy or resignation. Both extremes make it hard for others to trust your rhythm or follow your lead. When you control your pace, you control how people feel around you. Calm, focused, or chaotic. Fix, walk with purpose. Not a sprint, not a crawl. Walk like someone with a clear vision. Steady, measured, impactful. Mistake number 3, walking behind the group. I was an introvert too, always hiding behind friends. But here's the truth. If you always walk at the back, you're training people to ignore you. The back row is where you become invisible by habit. The center is where people naturally look first. Presence isn't arrogance, it's positioning. When you claim the middle of a group, you're not showing off. You're making yourself available and memorable. When you're in a group, walk in the middle. Be visible. Leaders take center stage. When you stand or walk in the middle, people notice you first. That's where presence starts. Mistake number 4. Tiny, hesitant steps. Tiny steps read as doubt. Someone who tests each stride is sending the message that they're unsure of the path or afraid of attention. On stage or in life, hesitation shrinks your silhouette and your impact. I watched a guy going up to a stage taking tiny steps like he was checking each one for traps. His posture started to fold, his shoulders dropped, and the audience watched him pass by rather than arrive. Fix, take stable, confident steps. Not tiny, not giant, just steady. Imagine every step anchored and deliberate. Mistake number 5, cross-leg walking, zigzag steps. Crossing one leg over the other with each step creates a zigzag that reads off balance and distracted. It breaks the straight line signal your body should send. Direction, stability, intent. When your feet keep crossing, people unconsciously tag your movement as uncertain or overly fussy. And sometimes they read it as a mismatch with your gendered expectations, which opens you to ridicule you didn't ask for. Some of the meanest social labeling comes from this tiny physical habit. Fix, keep your feet parallel. No crossing. Walk like the rails of a track, straight and balanced. Mistake number 6, walking but not making eye contact. This one destroyed me in school. I used to look at the ground or stare anywhere but at people. I'd speed up if someone looked, Don't do that. Avoiding eye contact is the quiet surrender of presence. Eyes are the simplest broadcast of confidence. Even a short, relaxed look tells the room you're aware and comfortable in your skin. Practice holding a calm 2-second gaze when you pass someone. It creates connection and signals that you belong. Eye contact is the first key to confidence. Even a relaxed 2-second look says, "I'm here. I belong." So hold your head up, look forward, and if someone makes eye contact, give a gentle nod or a soft smile. 2 seconds, that's it. You'll feel different instantly. Mistake number 7. Flailing or frozen arms. A lot of people give away their nerves with their arms. Some swing their arms so fast they look like they're flailing, frantic energy that screams anxiety. Others keep their arms glued to their sides or jam them in pockets, which reads as stiff, closed off, or disengaged. Both extremes distract from everything else you want to communicate. Your arms are part of the rhythm of your walk. When they're out of sync, your whole presence looks off. Fix, keep your arms relaxed and let them swing naturally, not frantic, not locked. Elbows slightly bent, hands roughly at hip level, matching the pace of your steps. If you find yourself overdoing it, try the pendulum drill. Stand, let your arms swing calmly like a pendulum for 30 seconds, then walk keeping that same tempo. Film yourself for 1 minute and watch. Small adjustments go a long way. What to do? The correct walk. Here's the short, simple formula. Shoulders back, hands out of pocket, walk straight, eyes forward. Rhythm and presence, not robotic technique. Technique gives you structure, but presence gives you power. Think of walking as both a mechanical pattern and a broadcast. The mechanics keep you steady. The broadcast, your posture, your energy, your eyes, tells the world who you are. Yes, technique matters, but technique alone doesn't make you alpha. Presence, command, and energy do. 2 small additions that make the biggest difference. Heel first step. When you put your heel down first, your walk becomes grounded. Slight shoulder movement. A natural, relaxed shoulder swing gives rhythm and makes your walk human, not robotic. Add these 2 and your basic walk becomes notable. It will stand out from the crowd. Model vs. leader. Walk. People think models walk only for looks, but a model's walk teaches command. That's runway training, rump walk, a steady, grounded, forward-focused stride, often seen with menswear. Heel first, eyes forward, intent. Catwalk, a subtle hip rhythm and a controlled cross step that creates an elegant sway. What both styles teach is not vanity but authority. Control of timing, control of rhythm, and control of attention. If you want to borrow from models, heel first plus natural shoulder rhythm plus ground equals attention. That's how leaders walk too. Small practicals. Feet straight parallel. Middle of the group equal to leadership. Pace. Steady, not rushed. Steps. Stable, not tiny. No zigzag or crossing. Eye contact. Relaxed 2 seconds. Shoulders relaxed, slightly swinging. Hands relaxed, not clenched in pockets. These aren't just rules. They're daily micro habits. Practice them for 5 minutes a day. Walk across a hallway, watch a mirror tape, or film yourself on your phone. Small consistency builds a visible, reliable presence. Your walk is your first handshake with the world. Fix it, and the world starts taking you seriously. Let's train your walk. Let's train your presence. Let's make every entrance count. This is my first video. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and drop "walk" in the comments. I'll post follow-ups with drills, sitting and standing tips, and step-by-step practice you can do every day